This 2021 Jayco Redhawk 26M is a Class C RV. It is located in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, 17584 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2021 Jayco Redhawk 26M is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.